Welcome back, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases in the sport bike world. The 2025 Ducati Panigale V4 S. A stunning evolution of Ducati's flagship superbike, this machine brings cutting-edge technology, raw power, and precision engineering all in one package. If you're a fan of high-performance motorcycles, the V4S is a bike that demands attention. Let's take a closer look. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Panigale V4S continues Ducati's tradition of breathtaking design. With sharp aerodynamic lines and aggressive styling, this bike looks as fast as it is. The sleek angular fairings are crafted for maximum downforce and minimal drag, while the new matte finishes and redesigned tail section give it an even more dynamic presence. The V4S's aggressive stance screams performance, and it's clear that Ducati has paid attention to every detail. Performance. At the heart of the 2025 Panigale V4S lies the legendary 1,103cc Desmosetti Stradale V4 engine. With 215 horsepower and 91.5 liters of torque, the V4S is designed for pure speed and control. This bike is all about handling, precision, and thrilling acceleration. Ducati has refined the power delivery, ensuring a smooth but exhilarating ride, whether you're carving through tight corners or reaching blistering top speeds on the open road. Technology. Ducati hasn't skimped on tech, as the 2025 Panigale V4S is packed with advanced electronic systems. The bike features the latest Ducati QuickShift DQS, a cornering ABS system, and a comprehensive traction control system that adapts to your riding style. The 2025 model also comes with an updated 5-inch TFT display, providing clear and intuitive access to all your riding data. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice, the Panigale V4S's suite of electronics ensures the bike is both safe and thrilling to ride. Suspension and handling. One of the standout features of the Panigale V4S is its upgraded suspension system. Ducati has equipped it with Öhlins Smart EC2 electronic suspension, which automatically adjusts to road conditions and riding style. Whether you're taking it to the track or cruising on the street, the suspension offers unmatched comfort and control. The result? An incredibly stable and agile bike that handles like a dream at any speed. Braking system. When it comes to stopping power, the 2025 Ducati Panigale V4S doesn't disappoint. Equipped with Brembo Stylema calipers and a set of high-performance discs, the braking system is designed for precision and maximum performance. Whether you're decelerating from high speeds on the track or taking a tight corner on a winding road, the V4S's brakes provide excellent feel and control. Conclusion. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Ducati Panigale V4S. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Would you want to ride this beast? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest bikes. Thanks for watching.